What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Ricky Clark on another little early afternoon cruise through the hood, seeing what's popping, seeing what's good. Actually chilly today, y'all, down here in sunny South Florida. Yeah, it's a little chilly down here. I think it's like only 65. I know what you're thinking. You like, yo, that ain't chilly, that ain't nothing. Thinking I might be a pussy or something. Y'all know it's like 10 degrees cooler when you're on the bike. But anyways, y'all, this y'all first time checking out your boy. I am a beginner rider. Only got 2 years under my belt. I know y'all don't think that's a beginner, but hey, I still consider myself a beginner, y'all. But I hope everybody's doing good, staying safe, geared up. But today, y'all, is different. I actually got on my earplugs. You know, I'm wearing some earplugs this time because, man, last time I got off my bike, when I got off my bike, I took my ears, they were ringing. And I know that they say if you ride around with a loud exhaust, you know that after a while you can damage your eardrums. So today, they say actually riding a motorcycle without your earplugs, they say can just damage your eardrums. So I decided, to maybe give it a shot. I was always, against it because I was just like, I need to be alert. I need to be able to hear everything, what's going on around me. But you can still kind of hear what's going on around you. It's more like you're hearing the vibrations. You can hear, you just don't hear as loud, in my opinion. But I ain't gonna lie, today I decided to try it out and out. Let me know, how if y'all ride with earplugs. I usually be having my headset in sometimes, be bumping my music. But today I ain't bumping no music. I'm just everything feels or sounds like my head is clogged up. That's what it sounds like. Feels like your head is clogged up. I mean, I can still hear my exhaust, but just not as good. And I kind of miss that. I miss that vroom vroom. You know what I mean? Yeah. And I love the M4 on this small CC bike too, man. I don't know what it is. I think because you do take the catalytic converter, you got to take that out. So it's basically like having a full system. But I love it. I love the sound of it. But yeah, y'all, like, I don't know, man. It's not that bad. It don't sound that bad. With these headphones, I mean not headphones, but with these earplugs, and they some cheap earplugs too. So I don't know if that's good or is that bad. Do you want some expensive earplugs in that kind of like basically drown out all the noise? And I'm also, y'all, trying to put a little bit of more mileage. Break in this rear tire. If this is your first time checking me out and don't know the modification the last modification I did on my bike was me putting on a bigger rear tire. I went 2 sizes up. I'm on the 160 now instead of the 140 stock. But yeah, I must say though, y'all, it still feel right. I still got a lot of breaking in to do though. I only did about maybe 50 miles. They say you need 100. They say about 100, so that's what they usually say, so. But I mean, so far so good, y'all. I don't feel any difference. I really don't feel any difference. The bike feel like it's, you know, a little more planted. I guess I got more, it's like you got more to work with. You know what I never understand though? Like on the smaller CCs bike, you know, they label it as a beginner bike. Y'all know how I feel about saying beginner bike. You know, I like to say slower bike. But anyways, y'all know on these slower bikes, you would think, because they are for usually beginners, or sometimes, that you would actually use wider tires. Wouldn't you think that wider tires would be a little better for, you know, certain beginners or beginners? I would think that, you know, you got more, you're planted a little bit more. They don't really just turn, you know, in as fast, you know, not as flickable. Like as a beginner, do you really want to be very flickable? I would think, you know, the more experienced riders would rather love a more flickable bike when they going heavy, you know, when they going fast into the corners and stuff like that. Wouldn't you think that? But hey, I don't know. These are my opinions. These just my opinions, y'all. As I just thoughts that I be running through my head as I be rolling through the hood. But yeah, y'all, these headphones ain't, I mean, I keep saying headphones, but these earplugs is not that bad. They're really not that bad. I don't know if I'm gonna keep riding with them though. They do get a little bit of annoying after a while because, like I say, everything seems so, like all the bass or all the low frequencies is amplified. You know, like everything is, all the lows are amplified. Basically feel like I tried to blow my nose really hard when my head is stuffed and you made your ears clog. So after a while, y'all know that can be very annoying. And that's how I feel to be. So far so good, y'all. And the only thing I really hate about my R3, the only thing I can say bad about it, I wouldn't say hate, is the mirrors. And they say, I know that, you know, that can be changed. Look at that shit. Lucky I ain't going fast and I'm paying attention. These Florida drivers, man, they don't be looking out for no motorcycles. But yeah, that's the only thing I can say I probably don't like about the R3 is the mirrors, the stock mirrors. But yeah, I know they can be changed on out. And I don't really know about the bar end mirrors, you know. I don't know how I just gotta get used to looking down like that to see what's going on with those bar end mirrors. I am looking at a certain mirror, these certain mirrors, y'all, that I love. They look very nice. There's those stealth mirrors that those stealth mirrors that I have seen, and they kind of like you know, fold. I don't know, they kind of like you know, to swivel up and down or whatever. So I guess when you really going fast or really to be on a track or something, you can kind of like maneuver them so they, you know, they ain't really blocking too much wind. I don't really know, but they're nice. The only problem is they're expensive as shit. They wanted like $125 for each one, and I was just like, man, hold up. Who would just buy one of those? I don't know. Y'all gotta check it out though. But yeah, y'all, this tire feels pretty damn good. Feels pretty damn good, y'all. Yeah, I don't. That's just one question. That's the reason for that I'm actually doing a vlog right now. I just had a couple of questions. You know, do y'all look at that? Nice. It's not a Harley, but I just want to know, do y'all like do most of y'all, or do y'all wear headphones? I mean, shit, I keep saying it. Earplugs while y'all be riding. Let me know. Anybody need some two recliners? Yeah, y'all, I don't know, y'all. As I still ride, that's why I don't know if I'm yelling. If I am yelling, my bad, because I got the headphones in. I mean, damn, the earplugs in. So that's why I might be yelling, because I can't really hear myself. You know, only can hear the low frequencies of myself. But anyways, y'all, I just wanted to chop it up with y'all for a little while. Let y'all know that I'm still at it, trying to perfect this art of motorcycle riding. And I'm basically just giving you a review of my 2020 Yamaha R3. And actually putting on a bigger rear tire. And look at this. There's a school bus. There's a school bus parked right there in somebody's driveway. I guess they get to take the, as a company car, they get to take the school bus home after they drop the kids off, maybe. That's crazy, though. I ain't never really peeped that. Somebody left the emoji pillow in the... Yeah, they get to take the school bus home after they drive. I don't know, and that's crazy, because I don't even know if you got a homeowners association. Because usually most homeowners associations down here, they don't allow you to have any vehicles or commercial vehicles that got messages, I got signs on them and things like that. They don't usually play that. Yeah, y'all, it's a little chilly. Got the sniffles. But yeah, y'all, I just had to get out here because I know that they say that when it's a little chilly outside, or you know, not freezing, but when it's cool, they say the bikes love it. They say it's better for the engine and all of that. I don't know, but I wanted to get on out here anyway, whether it was chilly or not. I don't mind. But anyways, y'all, just really wanted to give y'all an update since I put the rear tire on, that it actually feels pretty decent. Don't have no issues. The speed is still there. I haven't heard that pop though, even though with the earplugs in, I heard that. But anyways, y'all, I'm gonna keep on continuing my little cruise. I want y'all to please like, comment, subscribe, and you know, keep on checking back up with your boy. Till next time, y'all, I holla. Peace.